Moving emails works much like sweeping does. So if we indicate an email, we can go up to the toolbar, click on the Move To, and we can simply move it straight to the folder of our choice. We can also hit the Move All messages from that specific sender, and as you can see, this is where it looks a lot like sweeping. Same options. Categorizing is a little bit different. So if we go up to the toolbar and we hit this Categorize with the tag next to it, we'll see a whole bunch of different colored tags that say category. If we click on Manage Categories, this is where we can set them up to our liking. The first time you click on a colored category, it'll allow you to change the name. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new category. This will allow you to give your category a specific name and a specific colored tag. Let's pick pink, and we'll call this EBR Tech Stuff. Good. There you can see our new tag. Let's try it out. So we'll click on this email from Dr. Haney. Choose the EBR Tech Stuff, and there you can see the pink tags. So it's been categorized. If we click on the category, it will populate everything in that category. Kind of like a folder, but a little bit different. Categories also sync with your Outlook calendar, which can be beneficial as well.